Someone has a blitz. Hey guys, I'm about to leave to go to Ayangchan's place because we decided to have a sleepover, and it was a very spontaneous plan. But before I leave, I have to eat something, and I purchased the cookie from the bakery, so why not? They could improve the packing, not gonna lie. At the end of the day, it's what's on the inside that matters. So if this cookie is good, it passes. It's the size of my palm. Right off the bat, I will say it's kind of dry. I don't know what I was expecting. And it's good. It's a cookie. It's chocolate chip. You can't mess that up. It's a little dry for my liking, but I guess there's people that like that. It's okay. It's mid. I guess that will be all of me trying this cookie for now because I just got a text. I'm going. We're walking to a young child's house right now. We're not even visible.
Wanna stay with you, cause everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet.
Hey guys, it's another day of the same vlog. I'm back home. I was supposed to leave for Mangan yesterday, but there were no cars available, so I'll be leaving today instead. I'm literally wearing the same outfit because I'm lazy and I like to travel in comfort. And what's more comfortable than a t-shirt and some pants? See ya.